Yeah, Juhi.
Hi, Mr. Rajendra. How are you?
Yeah, doing great. Thank you so much.
Great, great. So, welcome to Graphy. This is Juhi from Product Expert team. So, we'll start the demo. Before that, can you please explain me a bit about your business and requirements?
We sell Python courses
Mm-hmm.
for computer science engineers.
Okay. Okay.
So we
And how
do
your content is like? Will it be in the live sessions or like live formats or like pre-recorded one?
80% will be live.
Okay. Perfect. All right. Any specific feature which you are looking up to?
No, nothing. Compared to Tag Mango, I just wanted to know, or we wanted to know, how are you guys more beneficial, because Tag Mango has already given us a lifetime deal.
Okay.
So we just wanted to check. The only difference which we got to know is like you said, Zoom subscription, monthly subscription, 1500 or 1000 rupees. Most of our meetings will be through Google Meet.
Mm-hmm.
So Zoom we normally log in if it's a 30 to 40-minute call, but
Mm-hmm.
uh, I mean, we are not exploring for another new Zoom subscription.
Mm-hmm.
Because most of them will be offline meetings, or sometimes we catch up with the children. That's only monthly ones, or probably weekly ones. So the regular live classes we conduct through Google Meet only.
All right. Okay.
And
Understood.
as of now, we don't have even 10 students, but we are looking for the long term.
All right. Understood. Perfect. So I'll quickly share my screen, and along with that, I'll give you a difference also, like what all things different here
Okay.
as compared to Tag Mango. So let me know once my screen is visible to you. Is it visible?
Yeah.
Perfect. Okay. So this is Graphy by Academy's homepage, and if I talk about what Graphy provides, so Graphy provides a complete end-to-end LMS solution. Over here, you can have your own website, you can have your own applications on Google Play Store or on iOS Store, and you can have your unlimited courses. When it comes to the courses, you can have your live sessions, you can have a pre-recorded one. Rather than that, we do support other formats like having your, quizzes, assignments, PDF files, audio files, and many other things. So all these things is being supported over here. Now, if I talk about what features we have and how exactly it works, so there's an overview. If we come to the features, so this, as you can see, as I mentioned, you can have your own website over here. You can customize your website. We have integrated a drag and drop website completely. Then we have given you some sort of marketing and sales tools also. Like there is an option of running a webinar funnel. Webinar funnel is more over like a lead generator where you go live, educate students, and collect the data set. Then there's an option of creating your promo codes, offering your virtual currencies. So there's an inbuilt tracking dashboard available for your affiliates. So all these features comes under marketing tools. Then the next and major thing, which is security. So over here we give you a 100% secure platform. We have given you multiple of securities, like this will be encrypted content, because it is going to be completely encrypted. It cannot be accessed by anyone. Secondly, there's a restriction number of devices. You can restrict each individual with a specific number of devices. Then there's a DRM protection available, which disables to take screenshot or screen recording of the content. Then along with that, there's a dynamic watermark facility available. Dynamic watermark facility. Basically, in this, there will be a text that will be overlaid on content, and it creates your viewers information, like their email ID, their mobile number, and your website URL will be visible on content. So, if in case someone wish to record it using other phone, so this is for that. Then the next is integrated payment gateways. So for collecting payments on a global platform, we have integrated 3 payment gateways. Like for the domestic payments, we have Razorpay, we have our own payment gateway called Graphy Pay, and in the case of international market, we have integrated Stripe. Along with that, we have even given you an option of setting a country-specific pricing, which is, I guess, not available in Tag Mango also. Like if you're selling the same course in 17 the countries, you can have 17 different pricing for same country, like same course itself. Then we have given you advanced sales insight. Like this is a tool where you can find a complete insight about your sales, engagement, metrics, everything.
Okay.
Then yes, then next is mobile application. So,
Yes.
as I mentioned, you can have your own mobile application over here on Google Play Store and as well as on iOS Store as well. Then the next is community. So, this is a feature like within the platform we have enabled a chat section. This community has been created on the framework of Discord. So it is like whenever you create a course, there will be separate channels, like engagement channel, where you can directly connect with your students, and if they wish to connect with their mates, so that can also be done under your guidance. Then this is something which is not available in any of the LMS platform, Graphy Assist. So because you must be aware that we work on a revenue sharing model. So over here, we as Graphy are not just trying to provide you a technical solution. We as Graphy trying to provide some sort of efforts in generating that marketing, maybe in an indirect manner. So Graphy Assist is something where we continuously trying to add some more and more features. Like currently we have abundant cart into it. Abundant cart is a feature which send mails while when your learner went to the checkout page, and while signing up they just simply back off rather than paying it. So what happened? We do send some emails and WhatsApp messages to them to create that FOMO. And we have seen a growth of 11 to 12% because of these abandoned cart feature. Then there is another feature of Graphy Assist, which is called a social proofing tool. So whenever you go to any of the website of ours, you will be able to see that that XYG person has been purchased this course from this place. They have signed up from this place. So this is a social proofing tool. So even if you try to integrate a basic social proofing tool, it charges you somewhere around 30,000-40,000. We have already integrated it from our end to give you a contribution in increasing that revenue, again in an indirect manner. Then there is another thing which is integrating the generative AI tool over here. So basically we have integrated AI tools over here so that it helps you in creating the description and other metadata to make your SEO or make your custom landing pages more SEO friendly, to give you the better search. And we are still in the process where we are trying to integrate more and more tools which is going to help you in getting that growth. So this is something which we have special as LMS platform. Then the next is third party support. So over here we have given you webhooks, we have given you APIs, we have given you third party integration. Like you can have many tools directly. Like you can in Google Analytics, you can have your Facebook Pixel, you can have FOMO, you can have Zoho CRMs, Zoom, etc. And we have given you, in case of integrating any third-party tool which is not available to be directly integrated, then we have given you Zapier and Pabbly as well. So this is an overview about the features, what all things we have. I'll be taking you to the platform also. Any queries for now?
No.
Perfect. Okay. So once you sign up, once you sign in, you will redirect to this page. So this is the super admin dashboard, and here you will have the maximum authority to control everything. Like you can manage everything from here. As you can see, there are multiple features. We'll go to the product part. This is the first feature, and these are the options. We'll start with the course section. I'll go to the create course. I'll add the title. So I'm adding Python course. This is my course title. As I talked about the generative AI tool, this is going to help in creating this description and other meta tags also to make our pages more SEO friendly. Meanwhile, we can set the pricing. If you want to keep it free, just simply disable this option, or else if you want to keep it paid, you can set the pricing accordingly. Yes. Let's suppose I'm keeping it as 5,000 and the discounted price is 4,500. So it shows them as a discount. Like they'll be able to see both the pricing. They'll see it as a discount that you are offering 500 rupees discount on the pricing. This is something like that. See, the description is ready. The tagline, key highlights, the outcomes, and the metadata, which I talked about. If you want to add, remove anything, that can be done simply. Once you do it, just go to save. Next, it will redirect you to the course builder. So from here, you can start adding your chapter manually. Either you can generate outlines using AI again, or you can start adding manually. So all these things are there. You can add a PDF, a video, audio, SCORM, file, heading, text, link, quiz, live test, live classes, assignments, and forms. And I guess in this thing, will you be using quizzes also? Like, do you have any plan of adding quizzes also in your courses?
Yeah.
Okay. So we'll come with a live class, video, and then quiz. So if I want to conduct a live class, I'll go to it. And these are the three options: to host a class, a webinar, or YouTube live. Over here, for YouTube live means you will be running a live through YouTube, and but it can be accessed through your interfaces. For the first two options, we have integrated 3 Zoom license over here, where you can have 3 Zoom license means you can have 3 parallel sessions at a time, where you can host up to 500 students in each class. And a class can run up to straight 30 hours. You can conduct accordingly. If you want to host a class or a webinar, just simply select, enter the title, select the availabilities. Let's suppose it is of 5 o'clock. Once you do it, now you can add a pre-class message if you want to give them any sort of instructions, a post-class message. If you want this recording to be available for your learner once the class ends, you can enable and disable accordingly. Then you can notify them on class start through email, web push, mobile push. You can have your multiple reminders over yourself. Once you do it, you can even choose how will they join, either through the Zoom app or browser. Zoom app means you are mandating for your student to have a Zoom device in their, like Zoom application in their phone devices. Or else if you have selected browser, they will redirect to the Chrome. Then you can have your thumbnail. Once you customize it, just go to save and simply save it. Now, if I want to have a video also, I'll go to the video section. These are the options. You can directly upload. You can upload through a YouTube video, or else if you have created video using any third-party application, that can be directly integrated. Just go to upload, go to choose file, select a video, open, and upload. So once it uploads, you can have your title, tags, duration, description, enabling caption, autoplay, availability, setting, and adding a thumbnail. You can customize it as per requirement. Once you do it, just go to save, and this is how it can be saved. This content is completely non-downloadable. So if you want to allow your student to download it digitally, like accessing it for a limited period, like for 10 days, 11 days, those days can be customized. Even in the case of PDFs and some ebooks, you can allow if you want to share them as a digital download or not. Next, if we talk about adding a quiz, I'll go to the quiz. I'll add the title. You can set a time limit. Once you do it, just go to submit. And then these are the options. It can be uploaded from here manually. It could be a single correct, multiple numerical, match the column. The whole format has given heading, subject, title, question, options, filling the right one, and adding the explanation. Or else, if you have a already bulk file available, just go to the upload, and these are the 3 options. It can be uploaded to the Word format, HTML, Excel. We support 3 formats over here. Select accordingly. This is a sample available to check how it has been created. Just go to choose file. It takes seconds to upload a bulk file. Just simply go upload, and this is ready. This is how you can upload the questions. Is there anything else, sir, which you want me to add for you here?
For questions, we have to drag one file, and for answers, we need to drag another file, right?
So you're on mute actually.
Sorry?
Hello?
Yeah.
You are on mute, sir.
Yeah.
Huh.
For
Yes. I was saying, is there anything else which you want me to add for you here?
For quizzes, we have to import 2 different files, right?
No.
One is
Basically,
for questions, another one is for answers.
No. See, so your question is going to be subjective, is it?
Oh, yeah.
So see, the format has given when you go to the quiz section. Let's suppose I'm adding a quiz here. This is my quiz. I can set the time limit. Once you just submit, so I've created the interface. Now, if I want to add a subjective question, I'll go to the new question. These are the 5 questions which can be added. A single correct, multiple, numerical, match the column, subjective. Let's suppose if it's a subjective type question, I'll select the category. I'll add the subject, topic, tag, and question text. And if you want to add explanation also, so that once they complete it, they'll be able to see the answer. And rest, if you have created the same thing, like if you have already a bulk file available, just go to the upload section and you can upload it from here. We have given you 3 format, because if you have a, Excel is for some like basic textual content. At the same time, if you have a image or specific type formatting available, So in that case, you can use word format.
Okay.
And then HTML is also given for math type, ML, third-party plugin content, etc. Anything else which you want me to add for you here, sir, apart from quiz?
Yes. No. No doubt.
Sorry, your voice is not audible, sir.
You can carry on.
Alright. So this is how you can create it. Just go to save and publish. This course is published, and if I want to see how the interface looks from the front end, I'll just go to the incognito window. I'll show you from the front end. See. The interface is ready. Python course, one module, lifetime access, pricing, Python course, overview, highlights, outcomes, module, and everything. And this is the feature, Graphy is this feature, FOMO one, social proofing. Yes.
This rating
This is
can be edited by ourselves. For example, if anybody given 1-star rating, can we?
Yes,
modify?
if someone has given you a rating and if you don't want to show it to people, you can just simply reject it. There is an option of this ratings and reviews. You can just go to it. Whenever someone provides you any review, you can see it in pending. Go to it. If you want to approve, reject accordingly, mark, unmark, everything can be done from here.
Okay. In our hands.
Yes, so exactly. See, you cannot customize the feedback. This is not possible. It's not going to be a genuine computer rating, right? But what you can do is, if you don't want to show it, just simply reject. It won't be visible anywhere.
Okay.
Yes. So you can create your courses from here. You can have your multimedia. We do support SCOM file. We have HTML also, as I've shown to you. All these things can be done. Then if you want to create packages, you can create your packages from here. Just simply go to create package, enter the title and select the same interfaces like this. Any specific query which is related to the course part, if you have.
What is the difference between packages and courses?
Okay, sir, courses means you are selling an individual course. Let's suppose these are the two courses, Python and CA. Me as a student want to purchase both of the courses. Rather than paying you pricing two different places, I can create a package, right? I can give it to them in a better discount or something. So this is something like that.
Okay,
Yes.
bundle.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, understand.
Okay. If you want to provide certifications also, that is possible. You can see the like you can provide them certifications automatically, manually, however you want. Then this is the webinar option, the direct webinar which we talked about. So this is more overly about collecting the details. Just go to the create section. You can create a session from here, and once you publish it, you will find a link on your interface like this. So you can share it with your students. Now whoever is going to register, you can find the details also within the same section. Just go to the view webinar page and you will find the students, the whole detail about them, like how many registrations, what is their email IDs. So it is more overly to take them to your platform. The idea is simple. This is the whole thing.
Can you?
Then this is something which is not available in any of the LMS platform to sell your digital products.
Can
So if you want to
explain,
sell your
this webinar part again?
sure, sorry.
Webinar part. Webinar. We didn't understand.
Yes.
Webinar.
So I was talking about this is we have given you an option of running your webinar classes within the course part, right? But this webinar is more overly about the marketing part. When you go live, educate your students and collect the data set. So whenever someone wants to attend this session, let's suppose if I create something.
Mani, show me your video.
One minute. This is my webinar title. I'm selecting the date. 20th at 8:50. Webinar duration 16 minutes. If you want to add anything else, or just go to publish. Once you publish, this is a link which you have got. Now it can be shared on your social medias, in your communities. Like if I share it here on the chat box, if any of you register here, I'll find the details on my dashboard. But you have redirected to my dashboard now. If you want to try, you can just simply register there. I'll show you the details. Now whoever is going to register, I can see the details here. So it is moreoverly about taking the students to your platform, to collecting the details on your platform.
Can I load?
Here you will find the details.
Can we have pre-recorded video as the live webinar, or should it be only?
Sir, how the pre-recorded video can be live webinar? You can start running a live and you can show them the pre-recorded video. That is a separate thing. But if it's a live webinar, it has to be done.
Apart from it, when I go for create webinar, like webinar jam, there are a couple of pre-recorded videos which I can load it and say that and publish it as a live webinar. Do we have that feature of loading a pre-recorded video as a live webinar?
Sir, why will you keep it as live webinar then? Because live means live.
No, apart from live webinar,
you want this recording to be available instead of live once it ends, or like what is it?
No, Juhi, do you know about webinar jam?
Sorry?
Do you know about webinar jam?
No, I never heard
If you
about
open
it.
another tab and type in webinar jam, we can have a pre-recorded video as a live webinar. Could you please open another tab?
Sure.
And if you just Google webinar jam, yeah. So what I can do in webinar jam is I can create a if I already did that webinar like 10-15 times in the past, what I'll do is I'll load the same recorded video as a live webinar right now. I've done that in the past. That's the reason I'm just saying you have that
you
feature.
can make the recording available. You are talking about that, making this live recording available for them, right?
No, I wanted to load a pre-recorded video as a live webinar.
No, sir, it can't be done. I'll check once if it's possible, but for now, in my knowledge, it can't be done.
Later, we want to keep in autopilot mode our system.
Okay.
Like an automated webinar.
I'll check, ma'am. That's not a problem, sir. I'll check. I am not very sure about this thing, so I'll
Right.
check and.
Could we come to
You will
landing
clarify.
pages, because we already have another 5 minutes.
Okay.
Could you come back to landing pages? Can we import ClickFunnels onto landing pages in the websites?
See, in the website, we have given you two options. First of all, there is a predefined template available currently within our website. Like, if I show this to you.
Yeah. Can we import ClickFunnels templates into the existing templates which you already have?
See, we do not have any templates for now. This is a predefined template. This is the first option which we give to you. This is the predefined one. Okay. Here only you can just simply enable the basic details like uploading your cover image, uploading your site logo, etc. But we have another option where we can give you a website builder where you can either use the drag and drop.
Is it unlimited websites, or do we have a limit on the number of websites which I can publish?
A website can be one. You can have your unlimited custom landing pages. That is a different thing.
Okay. So
Main page will be one, right?
If you want, we can create unlimited landing pages.
Yes, that can be done.
Not within the same domain, but I wanted a different domain. Is that possible?
So that will become a different thing, sir. It won't work that way, because when it is creating, you're creating it in your platform. It has to be connected with your website.
Yeah, I have a website as pythonexpert.com, but I wanted another website as a telugupython.com, or I wanted to go with another domain like Telangana Python course or something like that. So I have multiple domains. So can I have multiple landing pages with a different domain?
See, so, right now when you're connecting any of the page over here, I'll show you. This is a main page. Let's suppose this is my home page. Okay. Now if I even connect any of the custom landing page over here, it will be connected with the same website with this URL. You cannot have different domains, landing pages from here, from the same website. It is not possible.
How many domains which you guys support? Is it only single domain?
It is only single support. You're getting one website. We are not giving you a marketplace. We are giving you one website option. You can have a single website. So over here, in this case, you will get a landing page. Yes. So over here, you can customize it completely, either using drag and drop. These are the options. We have given you sections, or else you can put the HTML code here.
Yeah, I can do this.
So this is something.
Yeah, I can do this custom website and all that in WordPress also. Could you come back? So landing pages, it's all within the single domain. You are saying in the website create multiple pages is what you're saying, right?
Yes, that's what I'm saying. Because see, right now this is a website. Custom landing pages means on your website you can have a different landing page, like unlimited landing pages. This is what I mean. Not giving you different websites.
Okay, can you compare, do you have a graph or something which compares with Graphy with other domain providers, like other people in the market, like Teachable or like ClickFunnels? Do you have a sheet which... Do you have a sheet which you can flash, something which will compare the features of Graphy with other competitor?
So can you please talk about any particular one? Because this way though, if I try to compare, first of all, the first feature which is nobody have, this is Graphy Assist, where there are multiple features which we have integrated, as I've mentioned initially. Then you took Teachable's name. I'll be giving a very clear option here that if you are looking for application, you won't find that thing there, right? Then if we talk about Tag Mango, they have recently added this application feature, but we have a tried and tested system for mobile application. So this varies, right? Then at the same time, nobody is giving you this membership feature there. Community features are mostly not available. In the Teachable, if you go to have to have your unlimited courses, you need to go to their business plan. In the first two plans, it is not available for you. So whenever you want to unlock any of the new feature, you have to pay separately. Right? We as Graphy, I can tell you how I can be the best one. I cannot compare everything because everyone has something with them, right?
Okay. What about this white labeled mobile apps?
Okay. See, so basically, if you talk about white labeling, so we will be always there in the footer. I'll show you one example. This is one of the website. So this has been designed using our website builder only. You can customize your domain. The website has been completely designed by them, but this will be there. Launch your Graphy, and you will find the same on our applications also. Rest you can customize. We won't bound you anywhere with anything like about offering the courses, content, having other multiple teachers. But this launch your Graphy icon will be there.
And what is the yearly price?
It is 20,000 per annually plus 10% revenue share on each sale. And I guess Shashank has given you an offer also because you have been referred from their end.
10% revenue.
Yes, 10% revenue on each sale.
Shashank said 15,000 like that.
No, they have asked me like 20,000 for 3 years. Because of you have been referred by them, that's why we are offering you this pricing.
15,000 per 3 years or 20,000?
Yes, 20,000. So basically, it is an annual pricing, but we'll be giving you 1 plus 2. So you'll be paying for 1 year and you're getting 2 years from our end. It's 1 plus 2.
Lifetime offer is there?
No, it's not a lifetime offer.
Okay.
Yes.
So what about this 10% and all?
10%, see, basically the features which we are providing you over here, as you talk about comparing with others. So what they do take an upfront charge, a big amount from there. What we do is we onboard you as a partner, we take a minimal charge on an annual basis, and after that we earn on the basis of revenue. If you are generating revenue, then only you have to give the revenue sharing. So if you are, let's suppose if someone is paying you 1,000 rupees, you have to pay 10%. That means 100 rupees to Graphy as a rev share. And there is no foundation on anything, like you can have your unlimited courses, you can use unlimited bandwidth, you can have your unlimited teachers, learners, instructors, affiliate, everything. There is no foundations from our end.
Wow,
Yes.
what about the payment hitting to your payment system? In that you will got the 10%, right?
Yes, so basically what happened when you are going to integrate your account, the payment first goes to the payment gateway, and then it will be divided in two parts, 90% and 10%.
Acha, okay. This was not there in I think Teachable as well as Telanganatourism. I never heard it. They are, I think they are charging for this one services
I can give you 100 of differences, sir. That is a separate thing. But when it comes to you are not aware of this particular part, it is not possible, because when you integrate a payment gateway, they are going to take their charges, and because we work on revenue sharing. I don't know about others, they might take some 1 lakh, 2 lakh upfront, that could be a different thing. But over here, we work on revenue sharing, and there are major differences, sir. Because the feature which I am providing over here, like 2 years back also, we used to take 5 lakh annually, and upfront cost for the same features, even lesser than that only. Right now we have digital product, Graphy assist, we have membership, we have added many other things over here. That time when we used to take this amount, people used to purchase that also. And currently we have more than 40,000 plus creators with us on a global platform. And we are very confident about this revenue sharing model, because this is working out for people. If they are not earning, they don't have to pay anything. This is like this, in this model we are working, and I guess most of the LMS platforms are shifting to this model only after this.
Okay.
Oh,
Yes.
I see.
Anything else you want to ask?
No, mainly the landing pages. Okay, thank you so much, Juhi, for your time.
Welcome, sir.
We'll keep you posted now with the same guy, or probably we'll keep you posted. As of now, we are not making any decision, but we'll message you or text you through WhatsApp. Yeah, thank you.
No problem. Okay. Thank you.
Hello. Pavani madam.